Okay guys, I was really skeptical at first of getting such a big purchase on Amazon where I couldn't like touch the table and I couldn't see it in person, but I'm gonna tell you what I love about this table, what I don't like about this table, and everything in between, and if I think you should buy it. So I'll tell you guys, when I initially saw this table, I really wanted the oak color, but the oak color in the pictures on the Amazon, like actual page, didn't look like the color that I really wanted. And I looked at some reviews and I saw that the oak color was actually a way different color than the pictures. So don't be scared off by the pictures. The oak color is actually so beautiful. I will say, this is a very heavy table and it took a little bit to assemble. Thankfully, I had my partner who was able to help me, but you definitely need 2 people to assemble this table and it's pretty heavy. So we had to carry it up a flight of stairs and it took a little bit. The quality of this table, this has held up so well and I am so impressed by the quality. Now here is the table up close. You can see it has a little bit of texture to it. Pretty heavy duty. It's very easy to clean. I just use my regular counter cleaner to clean it. And I think the color is absolutely stunning. Now the bottom has a little bit of space in between there. I should have said this is the 72-inch version. So this fits pretty well in our space. Now to fit a chair on the end would look a little bit like this. So you'd kind of need a little bit of a shorter chair, but it's perfect for our 4 spots that we need. You can fit an extra person if you really need it. Honestly, this has been one of the better purchases I've made off of Amazon. And I'm so impressed as to how this has held up, how good quality this is. And the oak color is just absolutely gorgeous and it fits really well in our space.